Hi kids! Oh wow! 1, 2, 3, 4 fruits. This is orange. Do you like to eat orange, kids? Wow, an apple! Red color. This is our second fruit. And our third fruit is watermelon. Inside it is red. Our third fruit is lemon. This is yellow color. Let's cut them. We need a cutting board and a knife. Apple. Watermelon. Lemon. Now we will learn alphabets. Wow, color pens! So many colors. Let's learn the colors. Our first color is yellow. Second color is purple. Third color is red. Fourth color is blue. Fifth color is orange. Sixth color is green. Seventh color is pink. Eighth color is sky blue. And our last color, ninth color is light green. What is your favorite color? Let's write alphabets. Green color, J. J for joker. J for also jasmine. Pink color, K. K for kangaroo. K for also kitten. Blue color, L. L for leopard. L for also lotus. Lotus is a pink color flower. Yellow color, M. M for marigold. M for also mango. Mango is a very sweet fruit. Do you like to eat mango, kids? Next color is light green. N. N for nose. N for also nest. Orange color. O. O for octopus. O for also oval. Do you know that oval is a shape? This is sky blue color. P. P for parakeet. P for also penguin. Penguin loves fish. Our next color is red. Q. Q for queen. Q for also quarter. Our last color is purple. R. R for rose. R for also rabbit. Now say with me, kids. J, K, L. M, N, O. P, Q, R. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.